back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what I made with this August small die of the month. It was from last year, and I think it's called small, what's it called? I think a little birdie, I think it's called. So you get 3 birds, 2 sprigs, and 2 tags, and it was when I got when it had to sell. And I also use this paper pad called Indigo Ivory by Pink Paisley. And there was a sheet of cut parts in there, and I did that, and I cut some of these out. Also, I use some foam sheets that I got from, where'd I get it from? Walmart. And I use this all the time. Usually I use it to pop up something, like if I do like water or something. But I was like, you know what, I'm going to try to do something different. And then also for the inking, you see, I use this Distress Oxide Spice Marmalade. So let's get into the cards, and I'll show you the cards that I made in the end. There's something right here. So the first card that I made was, I took the big sprig here, and I took one of the birds and cut that out of blue and made it sparkly. And then I took a tag and a color part, and it says choose happy, and the tag says love this. So that's cute. And then I just took 2 pieces of paper, and what it is, it's what is the size for the paper? This is, green one is, I think, 4 by 4, and this one is 3.5 by 4 on this side. So that's that one. And then this one is, what I had was some ephemera that I used when I do my Bible journal, and this was in there, and I was like, that'd be perfect. So I was like, okay. So I took the paper again, and this is one of the parts I banner it, and it says follow your heart, and he will follow, he will be our peace. And I took one of those foam birds again, and this tag is out of foam also. So that one, I think this was my favorite. I think between this one and this one, I think these two are my favorites. This one was quite simple, and I got it upside downwards. So I took the larger sprig and the smaller sprig, and then this time 2 different sized birds, but these are out of pink. And then right here you see this one sentiment was keep dreaming, and this time I used like blue flower paper. And then for my last one I used was I used the bigger version of the tag that was in there, and these 2 out of foam, and then smaller bird. This is a smaller bird, this bigger bird, and then I used enjoy out of silver dye, and this says my happy place. And that's what I came up in the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by. See ya.